In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through Google and Microsoft for specific tasks. We'll be moving step by step, so even if you're not familiar with these platforms, you'll find this guide helpful. First off, let's dive into Google. The ubiquitous search engine is more than just a place to look up random facts. Today we'll use it to find Microsoft's OneDrive. Open your browser and head over to Google's homepage. Once there, you'll want to type OneDrive into the search bar. Google's powerful search capabilities will return a variety of results, but for our purposes today, we're looking for the official Microsoft OneDrive page. Carefully sift through the results and click on the link titled Personal Cloud Storage Microsoft OneDrive. It's crucial to ensure that you're visiting the official Microsoft page for security reasons. After clicking the OneDrive link, you'll be directed to Microsoft's official OneDrive page, showcasing all the features and benefits of their personal cloud storage solution. But OneDrive is just one part of the Microsoft ecosystem. So let's explore Microsoft a bit more, navigate to the Microsoft homepage next. This can easily be done by typing Microsoft into Google or directly entering the URL into your browser's address bar. Once you're on the Microsoft homepage, you'll find a myriad of products and services offered by the tech giant, but our focus will narrow down to OneDrive and how to access it. In the upper right corner of the Microsoft homepage, there's typically a sign in option. Clicking on this prompts you to enter your Microsoft account details. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one. Assuming you do have an account, proceed to enter your email address in the provided field and click Next. Following that, you'll be prompted to enter your password. Make sure you enter it correctly to avoid being locked out due to multiple incorrect attempts. After entering your password, another click on Next will take you further along. For security, Microsoft may ask if you want to stay signed in on the device you're using. If you're on a personal secure device, clicking Yes can simplify future access. However, if you're on a public or shared device, it might be wiser to skip this option. Now, you should be fully signed into Microsoft. While here, explore the All Microsoft option. This section showcases the entire range of products and services available, but we're homing in on OneDrive, so locate that and click on it. Once you're on the OneDrive page, look for and select the Sign In option one more time. This action should direct you straight to your OneDrive dashboard, assuming you're already logged into your Microsoft account. And there you have it. You're now in the heart of your personal cloud storage space on OneDrive, ready to upload, download, and manage your files as needed. But why stop here? Now that you're comfortable navigating to and accessing OneDrive through Google, and then moving within the Microsoft ecosystem, you've got a solid foundation to explore more. Both Google and Microsoft pack a plethora of tools and applications designed to make your digital life seamless and productive. Before we wrap up, here's a quick tip. Always ensure you're visiting the official websites of tech companies like Google and Microsoft. Look for signs like https://e in the URL and the lock symbol in your browser bar to confirm the site's security. And that concludes our journey today through Google and Microsoft leading up to OneDrive. Whether for work, school, or personal use, mastering these basic navigation steps opens up a world of digital possibilities. Remember, every tech guru started somewhere, and today you've taken one step closer to becoming one yourself. Keep exploring and stay curious.